starting our lesson, I just want to remind you the topic which we are taking. Which was the topic? Yes, it was Eiffel Tower. Now, let us have a rewind, that is go back for last paragraph. What did we learn? And where is Eiffel Tower? Can you tell me? Yes, Eiffel Tower is in France, Paris. And who constructed it? Who was the man behind it? Huh? Yes, right. It was Gustav Eiffel. And by his name only the name became as Eiffel Tower. When was the construction began? Yeah, 1887 to 89. Then, when it was going to be built, government put forward a condition. What was the condition? Can you remember that? Can you tell me that? Yeah. Condition was that first one was the tower should be more than 300 meters. Second was it should be built with iron bars. And third was that it should have 4 pillars. And where was this constructed? On the banks of Seine River. Okay, so we will move on for the continuation. So you have to take your book and go along with me. Okay. So open page number 30. I'll read the paragraph. You have to follow me. Okay. आज की तारीख में टावर की ऊंचाई 324 मीटर है। बगैर एंटीना शिखर के यह इमारत फ्रांस के मियो शहर के पुल के बाद दूसरी सबसे ऊंची इमारत है। यह टावर 3 मंजिला है और यात्रियों तथा पर्यटकों के लिए 365 दिन खुला रहता है। इस टावर को पर्यटक टिकट खरीदकर देख सकते हैं। इस टावर के भूमितल में 4 प्रमुख दिशाओं में स्तंभ बने हैं। इनमें टिकट घर और प्रवेश द्वार है। उत्तर पूर्व में लिफ्ट है जो दूसरी मंजिल में स्थित ला जुल्स वर्न रेस्टोरेंट में जाती है। We will go to the explanation now. See, in this paragraph, we are told that Eiffel Tower is 324 meter tall, and it is opened for the tourist all the days. And what all things? Let us see. आज की तारीख में टावर की ऊंचाई 324 मीटर है। It is 324 meter tall. आज की तारीख means by today's date. By today's date, if we see, it is the tallest one, that is 324 meter tall. Eiffel Tower. नेक्स्ट, बगैर एंटीना शिखर के यह इमारत फ्रांस के मियो शहर के पुल के बाद दूसरी सबसे ऊंची इमारत है। See now, in France there is one bridge and it is in Millau town. That bridge is tallest one in France. See, इमारत फ्रांस के मियो शहर के पुल के बाद दूसरी सबसे ऊंची इमारत है। without antenna, bagair antenna means without antenna tower. This building is the second tallest one after the bridge in Millau town in France. Okay. So Eiffel Tower is taller, but one more thing is taller than this Eiffel Tower. That is the bridge in Millau town. And without antenna, Eiffel Tower is the second tallest in France. If antenna is there, it will be the tallest one, but without the antenna, it is the second tallest one. यह टावर 3 मंजिला है और यात्रियों तथा पर्यटकों के लिए 365 दिन खुला रहता है. See, यह टावर 3 मंजिला है. 3 मंजिला means 3 storied. This is 3 storied building. And यात्रियों तथा पर्यटकों के लिए, for the travelers and for the tourist, it is opened 365 days. 365 means 365. Din means days. It is opened all the days for the tourist and travelers. इस टावर को पर्यटक टिकट खरीदकर देख सकते हैं. See, for watching this, we have to buy ticket. Like we are going for the exhibition and for museum and everywhere where we go for the historic places and other park and all, ticket is required. So here also we can see by buying the ticket. So ticket खरीद कर देख सकते हैं. पर्यटक means the tourist. So we can buy the ticket and watch this tower. इस टावर के भूमि तल में 4 प्रमुख दिशाओं में स्तंभ बने हैं. भूमि तल means the floor, down. What is there? That is 4 pillars are there. Last class when we were studying the previous paragraph, there 4 pillars was discussed. It was one condition. So here the 4 pillars are there, which is in the down. Bhumital means to the floor or ground. So in the ground there is 4 pillars and it is in 4 directions. 4 dishaon mein means 4 main directions. It is in 4 main directions, that pillars. इनमें टिकट घर और प्रवेश द्वार है. And in that, what is there? Entrance gate is there and the ticket counter is there. Ticket ghar means ticket counter. उत्तर और पूर्व में लिफ्ट है. उत्तर means north. Purv means east. So two directions there is lift. There are lifts on the 2 sides. Okay, it is one is in north and one is in east. जो दूसरी मंजिल में स्थित ला जुल्स वर्न रेस्टोरेंट में जाती है. And the lift goes to the La Jules Verne or in Le Jules Verne restaurant में जाती है, to the restaurant. There is one restaurant in the 2nd floor and the name of it is Le Jules Verne. And the lift, if we get inside the lift, we can go or we can reach the restaurant. Okay. Next paragraph. पहली मंजिल में चारों और बाहरी तरफ एक जालीदार छज्जा है जहां पर्यटक दूरबीन की सहायता से पेरिस शहर का नजारा देख सकते हैं। सी व्हाट इज देयर इन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर। पहली मंजिल मीन्स फर्स्ट फ्लोर में चारों ओर बाहरी तरफ टुवर्ड्स आउटसाइड एक जालीदार छज्जा है। जालीदार छज्जा मीन्स द sieve like thing, that is the with iron bars it has made. Jali means the like sieve it will be. Okay, so it one protection this thing is there, and we can we make in the fencing and all, no, where what we are doing in the fencing. So the same way it is made there. That is out towards outside in the floor only. The second first floor one why that is been made there? Because the tourist can stand there and with the help of binoculars they can watch full Paris. See, दूरबीन की सहायता से पेरिस शहर का नजारा देख सकते। नजारा मीन्स द साइट। So what from there what we can see with the help of the binoculars we can see, the tourist can see the whole Paris, the site of Paris. So where they are saying that on the first floor there is on the four sides is covered with that sieve like fencing like thing, and from there the tourist can watch the whole or the full of Paris with the help of binoculars. Now page number 31 I'll read, then you have to follow it. Okay. दूसरी मंजिल में रेस्टोरेंट जूल्स वर्न है और कैफेटेरिया तथा सुवेनियर खरीदने की दुकानें भी स्थित है। तीसरी मंजिल को चारों ओर से कांच से बंद किया गया है। इसमें एफिल टावर का ऑफिस स्थित है और यहीं पर एफिल की मोम की मूर्ति भी रखी हुई है। यहाँ से दूरबीन से नजारा देखा जाता है जो अत्यंत ही खूबसूरत और मन को आनंद देने वाला होता है। See, in this paragraph what all things are being said about Eiffel Tower. Now it is they are telling us about the second story or second floor of the Eiffel Tower. And what is there in the second floor? Let us see. दूसरी मंजिल में रेस्टोरेंट जूल्स वर्न है और कैफेटेरिया तथा सुवेनियर खरीदने की दुकानें भी स्थित है। What is there in the second floor? See, in the second floor, restaurant Jules Verne है. A restaurant is there named Jules Verne. और cafeteria, there is a coffee house, that is cafeteria. तथा souvenir. Souvenir, you know that what is souvenir is a magazine type thing, which is everything we get all the memorable things. That is the souvenir. खरीदने की दुकानें भी स्थित हैं. Shops are there from where we can buy the souvenirs. Then तीसरी मंजिल is third floor. What is it? तीसरी मंजिल को चारों ओर से कांच से बंद किया गया है. See, all the four sides, चारों ओर means four sides, is covered with, closed with कांच means glass. बंद means close. So all the four sides are closed with glass. इसमें एफिल का ऑफिस स्थित है. एंड व्हाट इज इनसाइड दैट वन? एफिल ऑफिस, एफिल टावर्स ऑफिस इज देयर. और यहीं पर एफिल की मोम की मूर्ति भी रखी है. मोम की मूर्ति, वैक्स स्टैच्यू. व्हाट इज देयर? एफिल टावर्स वैक्स स्टैच्यू इज देयर. Third floor, it's closed with the glass, and then office is there, Eiffel Tower's office is there, and Eiffel's wax statue is also there inside that glass. यहाँ से दूरबीन से नजारा देखा जाता है जो अत्यंत ही खूबसूरत और मन को आनंद देने वाला होता है. दूरबीन मीन्स बाइनोकुलर्स, नजारा सीनरीज, अत्यंत मीन्स वेरी मच, खूबसूरत, ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ से दूरबीन से नजारा देखा जाता है मीन्स फ्रॉम देयर वी कैन सी द सीनरीज विद द हेल्प ऑफ बाइनोकुलर्स, जो अत्यंत ही खूबसूरत और मन को आनंद देने वाला होता है. दैट इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट इज वेरी प्लीजिंग टू आवर आईज. एंड इट इज आनंद मीन्स इट्स हैप्पीनेस, इट गिव्स हैप्पीनेस. सो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, द 2 लाइन्स ओवर देयर. हाल ही में फ्रांस की इस इमारत एफिल टावर की घुमावदार सीढ़ी को एक एशियाई संग्रहकर्ता ने 5,23,800 यूरो का भुगतान किया. भुगतान मीन्स पेमेंट, संग्रहकर्ता मीन्स कलेक्टर, दैट मनी कलेक्टर. घुमावदार सीढ़ी मीन्स द सर्कल्ड staircase. If you have gone to Qutub Minar, there the circle staircase is there which help us to go up. So here also the staircase is round and round, so circle one. See here they say that one Frenchman, France की इस इमारत Eiffel Tower की. So in France is Eiffel Tower is there, and France Eiffel Tower, one Asian money collector had to give what 5,23,800 euro payment to the tower. Why? Because he tried to damage that one. So it is not we cannot do that one. It is not permitted to do any harm to this Eiffel Tower. So one man tried to do this. So he was doing something in the that staircase. He was fined and he had to pay 5,23,800 euro. Okay, so we will move on to the next paragraph. एफिल टावर की पूरी इमारत को 28 सितंबर 2015 के दिन गुलाबी रंग की लाइटों से जगमगाया गया. वहां की सरकार द्वारा अक्टूबर माह को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर माह घोषित किया गया और इस जगमगाती गुलाबी इमारत को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के लिए जागरूकता का प्रतीक बनाया गया. See, in 28 September 2015 what happened? एफिल टावर की पूरी इमारत को 28 सितंबर 2015 के दिन गुलाबी रंग की लाइटों से जगमगाया गया. What they did? Eiffel Tower was decorated with pink colored lights when on 28th September 2015. Why? वहां की सरकार द्वारा अक्टूबर माह को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर माह घोषित किया गया। देयर गवर्नमेंट, वहां की सरकार, देयर गवर्नमेंट द्वारा अक्टूबर माह को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर माह घोषित किया गया। Their government declared that on October, that is the month of October, will be the month of breast cancer month. और इस जगमगाती गुलाबी इमारत को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के लिए जागरूकता का प्रतीक बनाया गया। And this building was lighted to get awareness for the breast cancer, against the breast cancer. This tower was lighted in pink, and on September 28th, 2015, and October month was declared as the breast cancer month. To create awareness, जागरूकता की प्रतीक, that is to create awareness for the breast cancer. And this building was the monument there. So it was used to create awareness or to get awareness for the breast cancer, which was in which this disease come in women mostly. So to get awareness, they declared that October month will be the month of breast cancer, and on 28th September 2015, the Eiffel Tower was lighted with pink color bulbs. It looks very beautiful to see that in the night. Okay, children. So you have to read this paragraph.
Much only for today. So quickly we will revise today's points. Today we learned that this tower is having 3 stories. So first floor is what? First floor is a balcony from where you can see the scenery of France. Second floor is having a restaurant. And third floor is the office, where there is one statue of Eiffel Tower, isn't it? So children, you have to read this paragraph 5 times, then find the difficult words. Okay, children.